Right guys, here we are. VT Commodore V6 has a little overheating issue. Okay, so notice it getting hot and losing water, so I've just topped up the radiator and it seems to have a bit of a leak underneath the vehicle. I'll give you guys a better look at that. Okay, coming between the engine and gearbox. If you guys can see that, there's water leaking out there between the engine and the box, making a nice sized puddle on the floor. Okay, so that there looks like it's going to be a rear main seal and plate. Okay, so that's a remove the engine, not remove the engine, remove the gearbox job. I'll remove this plate just here and see if we can have a better look in a second. Alright. Okay, so here we are. Back again, just top the radiator up. I've taken the cover plate off. The little stone shield, whatever you want to call it, little shield plate between the gearbox and the engine. And as you can see, it's just streaming out between there. So more than likely the plate has clean given way. I was hoping it was going to be a Welsh plug over here. I don't know if you can see that. I was hoping it was going to be the little Welsh plug up the top there. I don't know if you can see that, but obviously not. Nope. Okay, so next step, pull the gearbox out. Alright, see you in a second. There we go. Alrighty guys, so we've dropped the gearbox out, and here's the rear main plate. Okay, I don't know if you can see that too well. Just up here we've got a bit of corrosion where the water's just been leaking through. So once I remove that plate and replace it, that'll stop the water leak. In some cases you can also have oil leaks around the rear main seal here. Okay, so a bit of a nasty job to do, but yeah, once you drop the gearbox out, that's the plate you're looking at the back of the engine there. And yeah, so I'll show you the next step once I get it off. Alrighty, as you can see, we've got the rear main plate off. This is what the new one looks like, just to give you guys an idea. It comes with gaskets, bolts, rear main seal. Okay, this is the old one. As you can see, there's plenty of corrosion. Okay, it's corroded right through that you can actually put a nail through it. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so if you've got a leak between your engine and your gearbox and it's running down between your gearbox, that's more than likely what it could be on the VT Commodores. Okay, yeah, so it's a matter of replacing that and taking it from there. Alright, so make sure you empty the water out of the engine, because when this back plate comes off, it's got two channels there which the water runs to. As you can see, that's why it's got corrosion. And yeah, take it from there, remove the back plate, and then there'll be a gasket on the back of the block there. Clean that gasket off back to Mickey Mouse, and then replace the plate. Okay, there'll be some torque settings for these bolts here, and I'll show you once it's done. Okay, there's the finished product of putting the plate on. Okay, just to give you a closer look. Just make sure the gasket behind that, when you take the old one off, is perfectly clean. Okay. Add a bit of gasket glue, gasket sealant on the bottom gasket there, underneath there, just to make sure that seals up properly as well. There we go, no more leaks, no more problems. Okay, next part, put the gearbox on, and yeah, she's all done. Alright, thanks for watching guys, hope this helps you out. See you in the next one.